Friends, last video we had discussed about there are two important inventions done by human beings. One is paper and another one is printing press. Paper discovered by China, printing press discovered by German person Johannes Gutenberg in the year of 1440. So in this class we are discussing next another two important inventions done by human beings. So one is here they saying steam engine. So we are discussing in this class about steam engine. So who is discovered by steam engine and which purpose were they discovered or invention did by or done by this steam engine. So before that we want to know, in first video already I told, when the human beings they discovered the fire, after that they learned how to cultivate the land. And second one, they get the knowledge about the wheel. So after the next step of the wheel, that is steam engine. Because of when they discovered the when they discovered the wheel, on that time by hand they started to move one place to another place. On that time there is no any engine or any other instruments to travel one place to another place. So after that some of them who are knowledgeable person on that time, they are discovered one of the new things, that is steam engine. So here they saying about the steam engine, this is one of the forward or improved technology in transport sector. Nowadays we can see there are so many fastest transport system in our world. There are so many fastest transport instruments we can see. For example, bullet train, aeroplane. We can see so many of things, so many of transport system. We can travel one place to another place. So which one is basic for these are the fastest transport system, that is steam engine. So when they invention about the steam engine, after that we got the knowledge about how to we can utilize the machines and how we can travel one place to another place. So this is one of the important things. So here they saying, so here we can see so many of contribution people they contributed about steam engines. So how this one developed steam engine? Because of when they started discovery about the steam engine, on the time only they did not discovered about transport one place to another place. That like they did not discover. In beginning, when they discovered or invention the steam engine, on the time there is no any objective about this steam engine, only the purpose of to transport. That like they did not discover. Step by step we can see the discoveries of steam engines. So first one here they say in 1710 is one of the important person, Thomas Newcomen, he developed steam engine. So which purpose for he discovered steam engine? To lift a water. So I think underground waters or any pond water want to lift for only he discovered by steam engine. This is first steam engine in 1710. So after the second one here they are saying in around 1765, James Watt, this person name is James Watt, he developed improved version of the Thomas Newcomen steam engine. What Thomas Newcomen discovered the steam engine to lift a water or to pumping a water. So that in forward version, some improved technology he discovered in 1765. Who is discovered that one? Here they are saying James Watt. First one Thomas Newcomen, second one James Watt. Both also they discovered are the invention done by steam engine. Which purpose were they discovered? Because of to pump a water or to lift a water. So next one here coming third one in 1829. This is one of the important matters in our human history. Here they saying George Stephenson built a first locomotive engine called as rocket based James Watt design. So what James Watt designed in 1765 for the purpose of lift a water. So that same engine, it did some of the changes in 1829. We changed that one design. Here they are saying James Stephenson, and that only fixed in locomotive engines. Locomotive engines means which one is pull the trains, means we are calling nowadays that only engine of a train. That only ancient time they called as a locomotives. So here they say in locomotive engine, the first time implemented by this one steam engine, so we got the success also. So easily we can shift. There are so many of large things we can shift one place to another place. You got the success. So this is one of the important incident in our human history. So we can travel one place to another place easily, and we can shift things also one place to another place. So this like of work done by, here they are saying, George Stephenson. Even first time he discovered by forward steam engines based on James Watt. In that based only he also discovered, I prepared, but he implemented that one steam engine in locomotive engines. So when that one locomotive engines they implemented this one steam engine, easily peoples as well as goods, both also they can travel one place to another place. So here they say today we can see based on steam engine there are some other engines replaced. For example, we can see nowadays diesel or petrol or electricity engines. Some of the vehicles going by vehicle, some of the vehicles we are using the oil of diesel or petrol. But before that, which one is for the purpose of travels we used, that is steam engine. And next one here they say the Shanghai Malgai train in China and the bullet train in Japan show how travel has become faster and more efficient. So this is one of the important things done by human beings. Here they are saying that only one is Shanghai Maglev train, second one is bullet train in Japan. Both also very fastest transport in the world. So how they inspired, these are the things how they did. Japanese or Chinese peoples, means based on the objectives or based on the design of steam engine. Now also we can see without these instruments, without these are the transport system, we cannot live. This is the part of our life. Transport system is a part of our life. Okay, now next one we want to know after the steam engine. Here they are saying that is aeroplane. Aeroplane also one of the important transport system in our human life, because of if any one country, that country want to become very developed or economically that one become as a stable, that one based on the transport system of air. So here they say that means now we want to know who is designed or who is invention by this one aeroplane. So here they say Wright brothers, means there are two brothers. One is here they say Wilbur, second one here they say Orville Wright. Orville Wright and Wilbur both also including they discovered by aeroplane. So we are called as a who is discovered by or who is invention by aeroplanes means Wright brothers. First one person name is Wilbur, second one person name is Orville Wright. So here they say first time they discovered the aeroplane, how they started to build that one. Here they are using which materials they used means here they say fiber covered biplane. Biplane means wings. We are saying wings. We can see both sides, plane in both sides we can see, because of here they given page number 290. You also just we can check it. In first image they given right place, that in we can see wings is a both side also wings. So this one is made by fabric covered. In fabric they created by that one wings, and they got the success also. Easily they fly that aeroplanes. So this like the invention are discovered by aeroplanes. So now we want to know who is discovered by aeroplane? Wright brothers. Which materials or which things they used to create a plane? That is fabric covered, here they say, bioplane. So after that, here they say on 17 December 1903 the Wright flyers flew for 12 seconds for a distance of 120 feet. Here they say, so when the first time they discover the aeroplanes, 12 seconds they fly in that aeroplane till 120 feet, that much of distance they traveled. So this is the first success to build or to create a aeroplanes. So nowadays we can see there are so many of aeroplanes. We can see so many of forward aeroplanes we can see. For example, one of the biggest one, Airbus A380. This is one of the biggest aeroplane. So how they created these like of other aeroplanes? Based on Wright brothers concept. And nowadays we can see in our society one of the secure, fastest and safest and easiest transport system is aeroplane. So this one discovered by Wright brothers. That means in this class we are discussed about two important inventions. One is steam engine, second one is aeroplanes. Steam engine first time discovered by in 1710 in Thomas Newcomen by to lift a water, and some other changes done by another person. That person name is James Watt. James Watt. He discovered in 1765 some of the forward technology used to lift water. So next year they saying in 1829 George Stephenson first time he also some of the changes done in steam engine and implemented in locomotive engines, and they got the success on that base. Nowadays train, that design of train is became. So these are the matters we are discussed in steam engine. Second one we are discussed about the aeroplane. Who is discovered by aeroplanes? This one discovered by Wright brothers. Wright brothers means there are two brothers. One is here they saying Wilbur, second one here they given Orville Wright. So when they discover, here they saying date 17th December 1903. Wright brothers they fly in aeroplanes 12 seconds and distance 120 feet. So these are the important points we have discussed in this video. Next class we can discuss about next other inventions done by human beings. Okay, thank you.